First, take your favorite eyeshadow palette and then select a lighter warm shade and then apply this with the help of a fluffy blending brush gently. Don't try so hard. Slowly build up the pigmentation from outside to inner side and blend it well. I am using here the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. Very affordable, very beautiful. Then take a deeper shade and apply this gently on your outer V area with the help of a smaller blending brush and blend it well. Any harsh line, take a blending brush and blend both the shade again, but make sure that the colors should be evenly blended out. Then take a shimmer shade and apply this on your rest of the eyelid with the help of your finger. It will give you maximum pigmentation. Then take a darker warm shade and apply this on your lower lash line. And that's it, guys. That's it. Applied some liner, kajal, mascara to complete this eye makeup and your eye look is all done. Isn't it so easy? If you like this video, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Links will be given below.